Hi Hi friends, my name is Rachit and I'm from Vizag. So today in this video, we will do the another problem. So today's problem is we have to print the reverse 9 table, which means like 9 into 10 is equal to 90, and after that 9 into 9 is equal to 81, and so on. 9 into 9 is equal to 9. So we have to print the reverse 9 table. So I hope you understand the problem statement. So let us write the code. Let us comment this thing. So whatever we will comment, so that lines 5, 6, 7, 8, and 8, those lines will not be compiled. So import java.util.star scanner s is equal to new scanner system.in. So we have to take and c dot exit. So as we are taking 90, right? So I'm not taking the value from from the user. I'm just giving the value to the n variable. So I have to use for loop because we are printing the reverse 9 table. So it should be starts with 10, right? So we are starting with 10, right? So that's why I'm using 10. And after that, it should be greater than because I value is 10. So, and the rest of the number should be less than 10 because 10, 9, 8, 7, right? 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, right? It is decreasing. So I'm checking if I value is equal to 10. So 10 should be greater than of any other numbers which will come. So then only this conditional passed. So I greater than or equal to n. So I is equal to 10 and I should be greater than or equal to n. And after that, I minus minus. So I should be greater than or equal to, sorry, it should be 1. So I is equal to 10 and I should be greater than or equal to 1. So until 1, it should be travel. Okay. So we have to print the table from top to bottom. So I am using, so what is 9? It's n. So n plus into, so into, so plus, and after that I, because I is having the values, right? So that's why 9 into 1 is equal to 9. So 9 into 10 is equal to 90. It will come. So equal to every 10. And after that, so we have to multiply n into I because each time it's multiplying, right? N into I. So I hope you understand this problem. So like this statement. So as you know, 9 is n, right? We are storing n like we are storing 9 in n. So that's why I'm writing n. And after that, into, right? So I'm using x, the string, the strings, like in double quotes is string. So I'm using this string, simple string. And after that, I, what is the I value 10? So each and every number will be stored in the I. So that's why I'm writing I. And after that is equal to, I'm using strings again here. And plus each time, and what is n value? 9, 9 into I. So each time 9 into 10, 90. And after that 9 into 9, 81, 72. And after that, so on, it will be continued. So this is plus symbol is concatenation. Like I'm merging each. So I will tell you what is concatenation. So let us run this program. See, this is called concatenation. See, 9 after that into symbol came, right? So 10 after is equal to symbol came, right? So this is called concatenation. It will come side by side. To get the values side by side, we will use the concatenation. So for the concatenation, we will use plus symbol. So why we are using I minus minus every time? I value is decrementing. So 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So that's why we're using I minus minus. So we are starting from 10 and we are going till 1. Each and every time this loop will be executed until this condition fails. So I hope you understood this problem. If you feel this video is helpful, please like the video and please subscribe to my channel and please share it to your friends so that they can be benefited from this video. And please ring the bell icon so then only you will get the notification, or otherwise you will not get the notification. Thank you, friends. Jai Hind.